Welcome to our video on budgeting success and pitfalls, where we delve into the importance of financial wisdom and self-improvement. In this video, we aim to provide you with valuable insights on how to effectively manage your finances, avoid common budgeting pitfalls, and ultimately achieve your financial goals. Budgeting is a crucial aspect of personal finance that often gets overlooked. Many individuals struggle with managing their money effectively, leading to financial stress and uncertainty. By understanding the fundamentals of budgeting and implementing sound financial practices, you can take control of your finances and pave the way for a more secure future. Throughout this video, we will explore the common challenges that individuals face when it comes to budgeting, such as overspending, lack of financial discipline, and unexpected expenses. We will also discuss the benefits of successful budgeting, including financial stability, reduced stress, and the ability to achieve your long-term financial goals. It's important to recognize that financial management is not just about numbers, it's also about personal growth and self-improvement. By developing good financial habits and making informed decisions about your money, you can enhance your overall well-being and create a solid foundation for achieving your aspirations. Join us on this journey to discover the power of financial wisdom and learn how you can leverage it to transform your financial future. Stay tuned for practical tips, expert advice, and real-life examples that will inspire you to take charge of your finances and unlock your full potential. Understanding budgeting pitfalls. Budgeting is a powerful tool for financial success, but many individuals struggle to stick to their budgets and achieve their financial goals. In this section, we will explore the common reasons why most people fail at budgeting and shed light on key pitfalls to avoid in order to improve your financial management skills. One of the typical mistakes individuals make when budgeting is setting unrealistic expectations. It's easy to underestimate expenses or overestimate income, leading to a budget that is not sustainable in the long run. By being honest and realistic about your financial situation, you can create a budget that is achievable and effective. Another common pitfall is the lack of tracking and monitoring expenses. Without keeping a close eye on where your money is going, it's easy to overspend and derail your budgeting efforts. By regularly tracking your expenses and making adjustments as needed, you can stay on track and make informed financial decisions. Psychological factors also play a significant role in budgeting failures. Impulse spending, emotional spending, and peer pressure can all lead to overspending and financial instability. By understanding your spending triggers and developing healthy financial habits, you can overcome these psychological barriers and take control of your finances. To illustrate these budgeting pitfalls effectively, let's consider a real-life scenario. Sarah, a young professional, sets a strict budget for herself each month, but often finds herself overspending on unnecessary items due to peer pressure from her friends. As a result, she struggles to save money and achieve her financial goals, highlighting the importance of addressing psychological factors in budgeting success. By identifying and avoiding these common budgeting pitfalls, you can set yourself up for financial success and create a solid foundation for achieving your long-term financial goals. Stay tuned for more insights and practical tips on how to overcome these challenges and improve your budgeting skills. Practical tips for budgeting success. Are you ready to take control of your finances and achieve budgeting success? In this section, we will share actionable advice and strategies to empower you to create and stick to a budget effectively, setting you on the path towards financial stability and success. One of the key tips for budgeting success is to create a realistic and detailed budget. Start by listing all your sources of income and expenses, including fixed costs like rent and utilities, as well as variable expenses such as groceries and entertainment. By having a clear overview of your financial situation, you can make informed decisions and prioritize your spending effectively. To ensure that you stick to your budget, consider using tools and resources that can aid in budgeting and financial planning. Budgeting apps, spreadsheets, and online tools can help you track your expenses, set financial goals, and monitor your progress. By leveraging these resources, you can streamline your budgeting process and stay organized with your finances. In addition to practical tools, adopting a positive mindset towards budgeting is crucial for long-term success. Instead of viewing budgeting as a restriction, see it as a tool for financial empowerment and freedom. By shifting your perspective and focusing on the benefits of budgeting, such as financial security and peace of mind, you can stay motivated and committed to your financial goals. Remember, budgeting is a journey, not a destination. It's okay to make mistakes along the way, as long as you learn from them and continue to improve your financial habits. By implementing these practical tips, utilizing helpful tools, and maintaining a positive mindset, you can set yourself up for budgeting success and pave the way for a brighter financial future. Stay tuned for more expert advice and strategies to help you achieve your financial goals and thrive in your budgeting journey. Case studies, learning from budgeting mistakes. In this section, we will delve into real-life case studies of individuals who faced budgeting challenges and successfully turned their financial situations around. By examining their struggles, strategies, and ultimate success stories, we can extract valuable insights that viewers can apply to their own budgeting journeys. Case Study 1. Emily's Journey to Financial Freedom. Emily, a recent college graduate, found herself drowning in debt and struggling to make ends meet. She realized that her lack of budgeting skills and impulse spending habits were holding her back from achieving her financial goals. Determined to take control of her finances, Emily created a detailed budget, cut back on unnecessary expenses, and started tracking her spending diligently. By making small but consistent changes to her financial habits, Emily was able to pay off her debt, build an emergency fund, and start saving for her future. Key lesson: creating a realistic budget and tracking expenses are essential for financial success. By being proactive and disciplined with her money management, Emily was able to overcome her budgeting challenges and achieve financial freedom. Case Study 2. Mark's Path to Financial Stability. Mark, a middle-aged professional, struggled with overspending and living beyond his means for years. His lack of financial discipline and failure to prioritize his expenses led to mounting debt and financial stress. Realizing the need for a change, Mark sought help from a financial advisor who helped him create a structured budget, set financial goals, and develop a savings plan. By following the advice of his advisor and staying committed to his budgeting goals, Mark was able to pay off his debt, build wealth, and secure his financial future. Key lesson: seeking professional guidance and developing a solid financial plan are crucial steps towards achieving financial stability. By taking control of his finances and following a structured budget, Mark was able to overcome his budgeting mistakes and pave the way for a brighter financial future. By studying these case studies and learning from the experiences of others, viewers can gain valuable insights and inspiration to navigate their own budgeting challenges effectively. Stay tuned for more real-life examples and practical tips to help you succeed in your budgeting journey. Setting financial goals for success. In this section, we will explore the importance of setting financial goals and how they can drive effective budgeting practices, ultimately leading to financial success. By understanding the significance of clear financial objectives, guiding viewers on establishing realistic goals, and illustrating the alignment between budgeting efforts and specific goals, we aim to empower individuals to take control of their finances and achieve their aspirations. Having clear financial goals is crucial in the budgeting process, as they provide a roadmap for your financial journey. Whether it's saving for a down payment on a house, paying off debt, or building an emergency fund, setting specific and measurable goals can help you stay focused, motivated, and accountable with your finances. By defining your objectives, you can prioritize your spending, make informed financial decisions, and track your progress towards achieving your goals. To establish realistic and achievable financial goals, start by assessing your current financial situation and identifying areas for improvement. Set SMART goals that are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For example, instead of saying, "I want to save money," set a goal like, "I will save $500 per month for a down payment on a house by the end of the year." By breaking down your goals into actionable steps and setting deadlines, you can create a clear path towards financial success. Aligning your budgeting efforts with specific goals is key to achieving financial success. By allocating your income towards your priorities, cutting back on non-essential expenses, and staying disciplined with your spending, you can make steady progress towards your financial objectives. Whether it's adjusting your budget to save more, reduce debt, or invest for the future, every dollar you save brings you closer to your goals. By setting clear financial goals, establishing a realistic plan, and aligning your budgeting efforts with your objectives, you can take control of your finances and pave the way for a brighter financial future. Stay tuned for more tips and strategies to help you succeed in achieving your financial goals and mastering the art of budgeting. By understanding the main reasons for budgeting failures, learning strategies for success, and implementing the tips and advice shared in this video, you can transform your financial habits and achieve your financial goals. We explored the common pitfalls that individuals face when it comes to budgeting, such as setting unrealistic expectations, lack of tracking expenses, and psychological factors that contribute to financial challenges. By recognizing these pitfalls and making conscious efforts to avoid them, you can overcome obstacles and set yourself up for budgeting success. On the flip side, we also discussed practical tips for succeeding in budgeting, including creating a realistic budget, using tools and resources for financial planning, and adopting a positive mindset towards money management. By incorporating these strategies into your financial routine and staying committed to your goals, you can build a strong foundation for financial stability and growth. Now is the time to take action and implement the insights and advice shared in this video. Start by setting clear financial goals, tracking your expenses, and making informed decisions about your money. Remember, every small step you take towards improving your budgeting skills brings you closer to financial freedom and success. Stay tuned for more valuable content on personal finance, budgeting tips, and strategies for achieving your financial aspirations. Thank you for watching, and here's to your journey towards mastering the art of budgeting and securing a brighter financial future.